Hi everyone. Today let's learn the difference between I did, I have done, and I have been doing. I did. Simple past tense. Use I did to talk about actions completed in the past at a specific time. For example, I did my homework last night. She did the project yesterday. Remember, you often mention when the action happened with I did. Next, I have done. Perfect, present perfect. Use I have done to talk about actions completed at an unspecified time before now or recent experiences. For example, I have done a lot of exercise recently. He has done his homework. It emphasizes the result or completion without saying exactly when. Next, I have been doing. Present perfect continuous tense. Use I have been doing to focus on actions that started in the past and are still continuing or have recently finished. For example, I have been doing my homework for 2 hours. She has been working here since January. It shows the action's duration or ongoing nature. So, practice these sentences with these forms to improve your English. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.